Hi, good day everybody. This is Joseph Peters and you're welcome to my channel where I'm going to teach you how you can do graphics on your phone. All of the graphics you can do on your system, you can have it done on your phone. That's what people don't know. I'm going to teach you the secrets I use in making some of my beautiful graphics on phone. In this video, I'm going to show you three very important apps I use for my editing. Let me tell you the number one. The first one, that is the most important one I use, is Pixel Lab. In this app, you get all the features you need in doing all of your crazy stuffs in graphic designing. Here you have the 3D platforms, you have curvy ones, you have different templates. But if in case you don't want to use the templates, there are other patterns you can use. This is a blank wall, so you can actually go through a lot of things. Here you see some dialog box here, which I'm going to explain in my next video when I'm treating the apps on their own. Pixel Lab has been one of my best apps so far because it gives me all the features I need, just like Photoshop gave me on my system. Pixel Lab have the shape buttons where I can create and make shapes and get shapes actually to actually use for it. It has different fonts, like you can see here. If you have the test first, you can actually check out the font. Now different fonts you can actually download and get more fonts, and the next app I'm going to show you that is also quite important in any of my editing is my cutting tool, the app I use in cutting off my backgrounds and the rest, and this eraser. Actually, the reason why I love this application is because it's simple and straightforward. By the time you put up the application, you just have to load your pictures, load whatever you want to take off the background, and when it's in a plain background it's more easier, but when it's in a busy background you tend to find it difficult. Now this is gallery. It brings you straight to the gallery. Let's take off this background for a moment. There are different ways you can actually take off your background from this app, so that you use the automatic tool where you can easily take off the background, or you use the manual where you take it off by yourself and the rest. So you can actually the good feature that I love about this is the repairing feature, whereby you could be able to repair whatever you made, whatever damage you might have caused the picture. That is it. Then you save automatically. Then it gives you a feathering option, just like in Photoshop you get a feather. Now here you can get feathering up to 5. Understand? You can reduce, or yeah. Now let's go back to the last app I want to show you right now, which has been one of also the best because it gives me some stuff that Pixel Lab won't give me, like effects, special effects for cloning. This is the dialog box, the welcome pop. Then you open, maybe you want to edit a picture or something. By the time it brings out your gallery, so you get to pick more pictures that you want to use. Now let's say this, for instance, I'm using some plus logo for instance. Then you can use anything. You can change frames, you can add frames, you can do a lot. You can do a lot with this. The app is mad because you can actually get a lot of things done. You can change the color correction, you can do noise, you can have a whole lot of things done here. It's more or less like Pixel Lab, but Pixel Lab has different saving options, just like photo editor app. So if you want to really join me on this course, I would love you to get these 3 important apps, because these will be the apps you'll be working on. And believe you me, in the next videos I'll be taking each of these apps individually, how you can get them on your phone and how they work. I'll tell you how you can actually use them and use them well to your best. And I would really love you to subscribe to this video if you love what I just told you, and if you really want to get more from this and how to do a lot of logos. Let me show you some of my works that I've done so far with my phone graphics. Here is my Pixel Lab application. This is something I did with Pixel Lab. This is my Pixel Lab job. Actually a lot. And let me show you some logos, because we'll be treating more on logos these days, because this is a Pixel Lab job. It's a logo. This is another logo. Let me get another logo for you guys. Yeah, this is a logo created with Pixel Lab. This is the application is just awesome. This another logo created by Pixel Lab. So I will just teach you how to go through all of these things and get the best of your image, best of your graphics. All of these logos were done using Pixel Lab, and I can teach you how to do it. If you stay tuned, if you subscribe, you can actually do a lot with this. You can create a banner, a flyer for all of you that want to do a lot of things with graphics on your phone. You can do your music label just by yourself. Everything you can do it on your own now. So join me in my next video for me to show you more about this. Thank you so much for subscribing, because I really love the fact that you watched this video. Really appreciate that. I will get to talk to you more. Please leave on the comment box what you want me to do for you, and please state whatever you want to understand about these three apps I've told you about. And please, if you want to get them, you can use your Play Store. Go straight to Play Store, type the names. Is that the Eraser, Pixel Lab, or the photo editor? Anyone you want to get, just get this exact type. Let me show you just one more time. Just get these ones, these two. When you get them, you'll be able to actually just check out the name and the logos, the logos there, so you won't miss it. And this eraser, so you won't miss them. All right. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.